Hello everyone! Today, we are going to talk about the tractor and how it was invented and changed over time. The tractor has been an essential tool for farmers for over a century. It was invented in the late 1800s and has since evolved into many different forms. The first tractors were pulled by steam engines and were very expensive. They could only be used for specific tasks, such as plowing fields, and were not very efficient. In the early 1900s, gasoline-powered tractors were developed. These were more versatile and could be used for a wider range of tasks. They were also cheaper to produce, which made them more accessible to farmers. In the 1930s, the first electric tractors were invented. These were even more efficient than gasoline-powered tractors, as they didn't require any fuel. However, they were also more expensive to produce and had limited use. In the 1960s and 1970s, diesel-powered tractors were developed. These were more powerful than gasoline-powered tractors and could handle more heavy-duty work. They were also cheaper to maintain and run than gasoline-powered tractors. In recent years, there has been a trend towards more advanced technology in tractors. Electric and hybrid tractors have become more popular, as they are less polluting and require less maintenance than diesel-powered tractors. These tractors also have more advanced features, such as GPS navigation and automatic transmission. In conclusion, the tractor has come a long way since its invention in the late 1800s. From being expensive and only used for specific tasks, to being more versatile and efficient. And now, with advanced technology, the tractor has played a crucial role in agriculture and has helped farmers to grow and harvest crops successfully.
Thank you for watching.